Okay, good morning. And let's record. Let's lock the room. This is what I had in mind today. We will start and hopefully complete task 8 in the first hour. And then we might start another task in the second hour, or we can do something else. First things first, Waterwood, who are you? Waterwood. Are you there, Waterwood? Okay, thanks, Benson. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, let's share the screen. Let's get going. So task 8 is an introductory video script. And you may want to repeat after me. Video script. You may know introductory is the adjective form of introduction. But actually, you may not know what a script is. It says write a script for the Planet Tarkov problem-solving activity introductory video. Wow, look, what a long phrase. So somehow video and script have some kind of relationship. Okay. First things first. I want you to search for an authentic real-life video script. Task 1. Search for a real-life, authentic video script. Put the link to the script in our chat here. Okay. So this will lead to our first learning target. Learning targets. I know the features of a video script. I'll give you about 6 minutes. I want to see at least 3 authentic examples, so then we can try to have a deeper understanding of the features of the video script. So there's no point in looking through the data file if you actually don't know what a video script is. So that's the first thing. Any questions? Okay, get going. You have 5 minutes. Or let's try 5 minutes first. Try to find a real-life authentic video script. Put the link to the script in our chat. While you're doing that, I'll take attendance. Okay, let's see. 4A31. Zhang Li, you're here. Great. Ken, you're here. Genia, you're here. Henry, Tommy, Timothy, Kathy, Carmen, Nancy, Benson, Kaylee, Ronnie, John, Lou, Chloe, Nancy, Jerry, Jack, Mandy, Bobby, and Moo. Super. Okay, that's that. I will also look for a script. Google.com. Example. Let's do video script. How to write a video script. Well, we want an authentic example script. Stellar short video script. So if you take a look at my screen, I put in video script in Google. And what we get, what I get, is how to write a video script. But that's not what we're looking for. We want real life, authentic video scripts. So all of these results are about how to write a video script, but they actually aren't video scripts. All of these are not what we want. We want real life video scripts. All of these are how to. See, how to. That's not what we want. We want an example video script, a real video script. Any questions? I'll give you another 5 minutes. We're not going anywhere until you find video scripts. I'll show you what I've done. So when I typed in video script in Google, I went through the results and saw a lot of how-to results, which isn't what I want. However, at the bottom, we can see related searches. And I was like, okay, well, here are different types of video scripts. And maybe they will actually have authentic examples. So I clicked on those and went through the results. And there's still a lot of how-to. Still not really what I want. More how-to. Not really. This isn't the stuff. It's not the stuff. It's too much how-to. Here's something that might be interesting. I see the word examples here, so I might click on that. In addition, I see the word sample video script. So sample and example are very similar, so I might go down that path. Okay, great. Thanks, Carmen. We got one. Super. Thank you so much, Carmen. Let's investigate. Okay, great. Carmen got a link. She shared it. Let's see if we can't find something. Thank you, Carmen. You're very bold and courageous. Okay, so this is the link that Carmen shared. And we see video and script. And then we see ideas. Okay. So I'm going through this and, oh, I see the number 13. 13. So I'm assuming there are 13 ideas, 13 video script ideas. And here's the first one. Okay. Now, we actually don't see the script here. We just see the video. This is in live action. That is, this is the video. Number 2. Similarly, we see the video. The video. Now, this is great because these are real life examples of the video. The problem is we can't make a video for this. How do you put a video here? So that's why I'm asking you to look for the script, not the video. So in what Carmen shared with us, we actually saw 15 videos that have scripts. That is, we had 13 scripted videos, but I'm just looking for one video script because we have to write words here. This is not a place to add a hyperlink, unfortunately. So Carmen's webpage, great. It's on the right track. Now I'm looking at sample video script. Okay. See, now we have a lot of pictures. So when we look at sample video script, we have pictures. And when I look at the pictures, I see a lot of text. Oh, so we're on to something, right? Because ultimately, we have to write text. So we're closer to what we want. These results aren't what we want, but maybe the images are what we want. And we'll take a look at this. Okay, so this is another how-to. How-to. It's not what we want. Let's keep going. Anyone else? I'm going to click on images for sample video script. I'm also going to change authentic real life video script. That's what we're looking for. Okay. And these results aren't what we want either. Still more how-to. And now we're talking about English language learning. This isn't what we want. We don't want these. We want authentic video scripts. Okay, so I'm looking here. Since the results aren't what we want, I'm, again, looking at related searches, and I see video script example. And I see more images. Okay, this might be what we're looking for. ultimately, boys and girls, I think a good business idea as we're going through this is if you can create a website that actually has video scripts, you might be able to make some money off of that because, insofar as I can tell, it's not very easy to find a repository of video scripts or any kind of video script, authentic video script. Okay, so I'm looking at these images, and maybe this will help us. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to share this with you, and maybe we can find something useful. Take a look at this. Okay, so from these images, can you find a script? Let's try that. Can you find a script example from any of these images? You actually have another learning target now. I will look to. Found something. That's good. Found one example. That's not it. It's the same thing. Excellent. Found a real life example. Awesome. Excellent. Oh, thank God. Okay, Carmen. I really appreciate your diligence. Yes, I found the same one. Okay. Great job, Carmen. Now we're going to look at Carmen's example, and then we'll take a look at a few other examples, and we'll try to understand the features of a video script. Here we go. So this is the first example. I think Carmen found this. So we're going to look at different examples and see what features there are. Okay, so there are a few things I see here. Do you see these headings? Do you see these headings? Do you see the kind of information? So now we're starting to look at the features. So this is example 1. Here we go. Let's go to another example. Here we go. Found something. Complete script. Great. We found the script. So what do we see here? See this. Okay. See some numbers here. See one column here. See another column here. Then we see some things in brackets in one column. See numbers here. And we see some colons here. I'm going to take a screenshot. All right, now this should be the last one. another example. You see a title. You see one column. See another column. See a third column with a heading and a fourth column. See some numbers. See some other numbers. And we see certain types of text in here. Take a picture of this. Okay. Now I will share these with our and we'll ask the big questions. Where are our screenshots? Screenshots 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's put those in there. Two. Okay. Share this with you. So we have our exam. So what are the features of a video script? What's one? What are the features of a video script? Can you type your answers here? Type your answers here. Okay, good. There's number. Now, actually, there are several numbers, Carmen. You take a look here. You see there are actually several numbers in different formats. See that? You see like 1, 0. Good. Yes. One of them is time. Timestamp, Benson. Excellent. So we see numbers here as well. We see time. Okay. So there seems to be number sequence. Number sequence. 1, for example, 1, 2, 3. Time sequence. 0, 0, 0 to 0, 30, 0, 30 to 1, 13, 1, 13 to 1, 15. Okay, yeah, okay, we're on the way. So we have time code, okay, time code. What else do we have? Yeah. So we have number and time. All right. What else do you see besides number and time? Okay. Now, Benson, what do you mean by content? Can you be more specific? Can you use the words in the scripts? What contents are in the scripts? You see number, you see time. What contents? You see columns. What are the headers of these columns? Almost there. Yes, Benson. Okay. So actually, in every column, or actually in each script, we see video and audio. So for each time, we have video and audio. For each number, we have video and audio. I'm going to change the color. So we have number, video, audio. Finally, for every number and time, we have visual and audio. Just briefly, visual equals what people see. Audio equals what people hear. Okay, so visual, you may want to repeat after me. Visual is what people see. Audio, you may want to repeat after me. Audio is what people hear. So video combines what people see and what people hear. And it's mapped according to time. All right. So we have visual content, audio content. So let's just say number sequence, time sequence. So these are all in columns. Number, time, video, audio. Now let's take a look carefully, and this is the last thing we'll do for this particular lesson, at the boxes inside the video and the audio. Are there any special features that you see here? I'll say it again. Look inside the video and audio boxes. I was pointing to a few things, especially in this example. Are there special features inside the video and the audio boxes? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mancy. I've unlocked the room. Can you tell Moon to get in? Thank you. Yes, it's an introduction, Carmen. Now, who is introducing? And how do we know in the script? Okay, so who is introducing and how do we know in the script? That's what we're trying to look at here. There's something about the script, especially in the audio box, to let us know who. You can see it here. Take a look at these boxes. Take a look at Dr. Wu's arrows. There's something that we see in the boxes of audio to tell us who. It's in this script. Not only that, it's actually, in a way, in this script too. There's some features here. It's the last thing to cover. Ooh. That's number 1. Something going on. Do we know someone speaking in the audio part? No. Who? Speaking in the audio part of the script. This is a reading test, boys and girls. You actually have to look very carefully at the words and the punctuation. They're clues as to how in a script we can show more than one person talking. This is the clearest example. Okay, George and Cynthia. So somehow you can designate people's names. Person's name. Speaker's name. Or speaker's name. Okay. So that's another feature. Audio content. Identifying speaker. For example, speaker 1. Speaker 2. Yes, Benson? Yep. Did you raise your hand, Benson? Okay. So we're done. Thanks, guys. This was not easy, but it might be important for you guys. I don't know if you will ever have a lesson on video scripts in our school. I actually don't know if in Form 5 or in Form 6 you will ever have a lesson on learning what a video script is. Unfortunately, you may have to write it for your public exam. So hopefully this lesson was valuable for you. I'm going to stop the recording right now. Let's meet back at 12:05 and then we'll really do task 8. You can stay in this room. I will keep the room open.